Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I wanted to show you some planner dies, and these are from Andy's shop. This is what the die looks like. So you have this one right here. What I did, I'm not using these dies as planner dies. This one I'm using it more as a tag flip. So what I did is I cut as many as I want for this one. In this case, I only cut 4. Then this piece right here, I folded to make it more, I guess, stronger. And then you have the layering piece. And these are like some little extras. Look how cute. The little butterflies flying. So this is what I created. And here I'm using the Maggie Holmes Flourish collection. So what I did was I cut the big piece 4 times. And this is how I decorated the first piece. I made a little rosette kind of, I don't know what these things are called. But I just put a whole bunch of little embellishments on top. This one here, I did the little swan. I'm not sure what collection that's from. Added some little papers. I added a bow, a trim. I added some fun. I added a little pom-pom here with a tassel. This is actually from Dollar Tree that I cut apart just like Tony did. And then I added some fun soft yarn. I think it came out so cute. So that's the first one. So then when you turn it, this one here, I just added some little purple flowers, some leaves, some little cutouts of some feathers. Then this one here, I use the little house with the tree in the back. I added 2 little flowers. These things you could, just take it apart if you want to reuse them. So that's that. And then this one here, I just did a little pocket with some fun little cutouts. For this one here, I made these little, again, whatever these things are called, like little badges. I don't know. But anyway, I added the little word that says thankful for you, a little heart. And then this one here, the word joy with a little heart. They all have that gold twine. Oops. And then these are some little bows. I think these came out really cute. I made a whole bunch, I think, in my previous video. And then this one here, I just added that. And then this one here, I just added one of my tassels that I made. And I didn't know how to put it on the book. So I just added a piece of washi tape here and a piece of washi tape there. So it's easy. The person can just pull it out. And then in the back, I didn't do anything. I just added the word, you are my sunshine. But you see how I folded that piece just to make this stronger. But yeah, this is just a quick little video showing that you don't have to use those planner dies as planner dies. I like the shape. And you can use them as little tag flips or even for a card. All right, guys, but I'll put the link to this die in the description bar and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.